Gold is still at the support level 3350. We can see that for several days the price is trying to move down, and there was indecision candles in the previous week where we can see that currently that this candle that has currently in formation, it is a daily candle for today, and the price was trying to move down much further than these candles before. Yesterday candle has opened with a gap, and we can see here the close price and the open price right here. It was a gap that the price has closed that gap yesterday, and the price has reached its support level but could not manage to move down, making a bearish break going below this area of support. If you take a look on the 4-hour time frame, we'll see how the yesterday has behaved. We can see this is the gap that has been formed with this candle when this week has started, and from there the price reached the support level, bouncing from this area of support, returning back up, and then reaching a 4-hour resistance level 3379.03, and from here the price has formed this bearish candle, bearish breakout, indicating further decline in value. We can see the price has reached this area of support. Now the price is trying to move further down, and we can see on the 1-hour time frame how this looks. The strong bearish momentum that has formed yesterday, and the price has reached 33 to 3.30, a 4-hour time frame, a support level, bouncing from here, and currently it is on the daily, currently acting as a support 3350.58. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we can see it is a bullish breakout, indicating further rise in value, but very short rise up to here, where it's very close to this area 4-hour time frame resistance level, and from here we'll see how the price will behave. But we can see that in the last several days the price has a volatility pretty high because of the large candles, and we can see how this is behaving. The price do not respect this area of support and resistance, which means it's not very easy to trade this time frame. And also we can see on the 4-hour time frame, it is the same scenario where we have a large candle yesterday formed here, which is not respecting this area of resistance and support. But we can see we need to wait until the market comes a little bit, and then it follows this area of support and resistance. What we can make as a conclusion for today, what we can expect. Well, if we take a look here on the daily time frame, we are currently in the downtrend. We can see that there is no bullish pressure here around this area of support that is trying to move higher. There are no wicks, and also there are no trying to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance around 339 price level. And we can see on the lower side, the price is trying to move down. We can see that the price was trying to move down, making a bearish breakout below this area of support. What we can see in the previous week, the last 2 days were indecision candles, and yesterday the price has formed this bearish candle where the price could not manage to close the day below this area of support, and that is around 3367, and the 1-hour time frame will show us that this is 3365.01 is very important support level, and we can see the price was held for several hours here and again here as a support level. And yesterday we can see this area of support was not so strong here, which means a pretty strong selling pressure was visible right here. But the daily time frame cannot manage to stay below, which means a very important support level is this one here, and we can see currently it is broken. Will that breakout on the daily time frame, which we can currently see, will last for the whole day, or will the price return back up, or will the price return back down, making a bearish breakout? This is something that we will see today. But what we can expect based on what we can see currently. Currently the price is in the bearish trend. We can see that for several days the price is forming bearish candles, and currently it is forming bearish candle, and we can see a bearish pressure here with these wicks where the price was trying to move further down below this area of support. This attempt that is currently active is the only one in the last several days that has managed to push the price down but could not stay for a while. Now the daily time frame currently shows me a pressure here on this support level. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see how this looks. Yesterday it was choppy a little bit because of this gap. The price was going up and down, so this doesn't show too much information for me, but we can see this is a bearish breakout. This is a bearish candle that has stopped at the support level, and it's a wick on the lower side. There is no clear signal, at least here, where the price could go. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see a strong bearish trend that has formed on the 1 hour time frame, where the price has gone below this area of support, now acting as a resistance, and currently price is forming a bullish breakout targeting a price level right here around 3355. So currently what we can see, it is a bearish trend currently on the 1 hour time frame, but it's not very clear and it's not targeting further down, but it is returning back up. So if you take a look on the all time frames daily, which shows slightly a bearish trend. On the 4 hour time frame, it is also bearish, but it is stopped at this area of support as a daily support, and we have a daily also a bearish stop it right here currently at the daily support. So three time frames are showing a bearish momentum currently active on the market, which means there is more selling pressure here than it is buying pressure from buyers. So I'm more inclined to see the price moving down, but there is no clear signal for me currently that the price will move for sure down. So I'm waiting until the price makes a move, and that means going again below this area of support, at least on the 1 hour time frame, and then reaching 3340.57. If that happens, this will be a clear signal. There is selling pressure still pointing the price down, pushing further down. There is no buying pressure, also demand zone. There are no buyers here waiting. That will prevent the price from falling down. So for now, I'm waiting outside for a clear signal to see how the price will behave, and it's very important to see how the daily time frame will close today. Will the candle close below this area of support, which will indicate further decline in value around here, which will be the first support level around 3315, and we can see on the 4 hour time frame, 3315 on the 1 hour time frame, it will be around 3317. And this is the 1 hour time frame where the price could stop. Will that happen? Well, we'll see how the price will behave around this area of support, but we can see in the several days the price going up and down between this area of resistance and this support, which means indecision on the market that needs to be clearly defined where the price will go further. But we are currently in the bearish mode, so I'm still more open to see the price going a little bit more down. For now, that's all. Also remember that I have shared the breakouts inside the premium analysis for the traders. Yesterday there was also a breakout information for the traders. For example, this bullish breakout has been formed with the target right here. This is something that you can also receive inside the premium Telegram group and also premium group, where the traders are receiving these updates for other symbols. You can see them here when there is a breakout on the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, and the daily time frame. Feel free to check the link below in the description, and you can join to receive these updates. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.